How to pack for 3 months in a carry-on luggage, which means 7 kilos go in this Flylight luggage bag. Hi, this is Anna from Travel with Mr. and Mrs. C, and today we're just putting a video up on how to pack for 3-month trip to Italy. So we're traveling with a 7 kilo carry-on luggage. It's a Flylight brand, actually, a brand that we have here in Australia. So we did a few trips pre-2014 with like 23 kilo and 30 kilo luggage. And when you're traveling to Italy and you have stays in Positano and Cinque Terre, just two that I remember off the top of my head that nearly broke our back, we realized we had to change our plans. So in 2017 and 18, we downsized to 7 kilo carry-on, and it worked. So this year, 2022, we travelled in summer. Previously, some of those trips one was actually winter, hence the 23 kilo luggage. This 2017, 2018, 2022, we went during the summer. So obviously lighter clothes, no jackets needed, etc. So I've just done a quick video because so many of my friends and relatives always ask me, how do you pack for a 3-month trip in a 7 kilo carry-on? So we don't have to check in our luggage, which means once you get to the airport, there's no waiting. When you arrive at your destination, you just walk straight out. So there's a lot of time saving there as well. So I thought I'll show them what I do. So I just been doing this now on 3 separate occasions, and it's worked for me. So I've just put together the clip of the packing. So this was packed in May, just before our trip this year. Hence you'll see me in winter clothes. And it is now summer. We've arrived back from our trip, as you've probably noticed if you've seen our YouTube channel and seen our videos and travels. So enjoy the video and hope it helps some of you on how to pack lightly. I have undergarments all in here and swimwear. Some washing powder with us. I've got about 5 t-shirts here, pair of shorts, and about 4 summer play suits because we'll be in a lot of beach coastal towns and it's summer. I think I've narrowed it down to 6 dresses, which I will be all rolling to save on creasing and then putting them inside a stocking to keep them from opening up. Towel, nice light cotton towel. Narrowed it down to 2 shoes, flat pair, and one with a small heel. One of those airtight bags. I'll put something in there to get some of the air out, and then just some bags to put like dirty clothes or any extra little items like phone chargers and things like that. So we'll see how I go. I'll film the bag packed and see when I weigh it if I can get it under 7 kilos. Step 2. Dresses rolled up, day dresses rolled up, shoes, t-shirts and shorts, beach towel and shirts, and undergarments still in the same bag. So now that has to go into here. So shoes at either end. The bag took all the air out of there, and the 1, 2, 3 that were rolled in the old stocking with the undergarment bag at the top. Now for the verdict. probably helps if I actually belt it all in, but I can do that later. Alright, time to zip it up and weigh it. Here we go. 5.17. Yes, under 7 kilos. Yes. Just as a side note, we did not pack toiletries like shampoo, conditioners, face moisturizers, sunblock, obviously nail cutters, that's scissors, things like that, because you can't bring scissors and obviously nail cutters and things like that on the plane. So, and the shampoos, and we thought things like that, we're there for 3 months, just arrive at some sort of, you know, convenience store equivalent to our Coles and Woolworths, and just buy them there and travel with them there. So that hence made our luggage lighter when we left here to go to Australia. So I think my luggage at the end was just over 5 kilos, so I still had 2 kilos to pack those sort of little toiletries, and if I wanted to buy extra shoes or t-shirt, because I only brought 3 shoes, which is all you're going to need when you go there in summer anyway. So that was just something I thought I'd just quickly add with what we did not pack. That's it.